All right. Now these are the historic elevators. Here's this one right here. Oh, it looks like, oh, now it works. It won't even open for some reason. Okay. All right. I don't understand why the other door couldn't open. This one's still original. Oh, this is awesome, y'all. Get a cab view of this thing. Wow. This is doubled as a service elevator because look at the wall paddings. Oh, wow. This view is beautiful. Okay. Interesting. Sadly, all the passenger elevators are modernized. The other, the ones the ones on the other side, which I decided not to record. The last elevator was actually finished doing its modernization. So, so yeah, I decided not to record the elevators because they're just the exact same like those elevators over there. But I'm gonna try to get a good view out the window. Awesome, y'all. All right, we're gonna switch elevator cars on the 4th floor because I just literally saw that one doesn't have wall paddings. But this is worth filming. I'm not gonna open it all the way. Oh, looks like this one doesn't work. Let me try to send this down. Oh, it just went in nudge mode. Yeah, unfortunately, looks like this elevator car doesn't work. Well, okay, well, at least I got to ride this one, which is At least better than none. See, oh, I forgot to show that indicator right there. I don't know, do they work? Oh yeah, they do. Oh, they do. I didn't know that. Sadly, the other elevator car does not work. I'm afraid that these elevator cars are probably going to be modernized once the passenger elevators are almost done. Oh, and before I leave, look at this. I forgot to show that. Otis Elevator Company. I forgot to show the door track. I'm sorry, y'all. I love that indicator. Here it comes back down. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video of these old historic elevators here, which were tastefully modernized, older modernization that is. The main passenger elevators just got a recent mod. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.